All right, so here we have a 2016 Ford Transit Connect. Customers complaining that speeds 1 and 2 are not working with the blower motor. 3, 4, and so on are working. So this is a blower resistor or a blower module issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the blower resistor. First we're going to remove the lower cowl underneath the steering wheel. We have one T20 bolt here. Then we're going to go ahead and release the clips. Yep. All right. Then we just want to pull on it. Right. We have one electrical connection right here. All right, so to get a little bit more room, we're going to go ahead and remove the gas pedal. We have two 10mm nuts to take off. All right, so we're going to go ahead and there is a T20 screw on one side and the other side is just slipped in. So we're going to go ahead and remove that T20 screw now. Okay. All right, so here's our old one and our new one. Just kind of looking around to see if we can see. We can see a little, the porcelain and stuff, or the protector is coming off. Definitely shows some wear here in this resistor. But all in all, part looks exactly the same. So we'll go ahead and we'll reinstall the new one now. All right, so one side of our resistors has a tab that we need to insert into. The other side is where the T20 screw. So what we're going to do is just slip it in the groove and then go for our bolt here. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our gas pedal. I'm going to go ahead and put the connection on the connector first. Light switch plug back in. Line up all of our clips. Go ahead and put our T20 screw back in. All right. All right, so we'll go ahead and see if our blower is working. So there's off. All right. right, so we have speeds 1 and 2 now. 3 and 4 we're already working. So it was just the speed 2 that was blown on the resistor and speed 1. All right. So now we have completed the job.